Welcome back to John's Films, your home for Davinci Resolve and other tech-related videos you can't find anywhere else. Do me a favor, hit subscribe below. Now, to get to the point, Unifi has a device that every network should have. It is a $20 smart plug. Well, that got to the point, but what does that do for us? To explain that, I'm going to explain my tech support responsibilities. Here in the footprint of my house, I have 3 access points, a Dream Machine Pro, and a connection to AT&T fiber. You can see more details about my network in the link above. But let's say that the fiber connection coming in breaks, and there's no internet available. Often this is just a hiccup. It's a reroute in the network higher up, and AT&T fixes it on the spot. Well, what happens? My router is fine. My modem that connects to the internet, not so great. So, what do? Well, you walk in, you find the modem, you unplug it, and then you plug it back in. It resets the connection to the internet, and life is good. So now, what do you think this smart plug does? You got it. Instead of sitting around waiting for me to hit a button on my phone and turn the power on, this one monitors the internet connection coming into the Unifi Dream Machine Pro, and if it goes down, it resets the power on the modem. This effectively bounces the modem and solves the problem. That's why this is the $20 Unifi Smart Plug that every Unifi installation should have. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.